Hello and welcome to the Beckwiths. This is a Caravanners collaboration video made in collaboration with other YouTubers within this group. Please click on the end card to watch their videos or on the link in the description below. So this collaboration video is about top 3 foods you like to eat or make in your caravan. So it's rather hard because Sharon and I don't really cook in caravan. When we're on holiday we want to go out and eat. I know, that's by the by. So I've come up with our 3 foods that we're most likely to do in the caravan. And so our first food that we would do in the caravan, whether it be for lunch or dinner. Yes, this is what we'd have for lunch or dinner. And it is cheese toasties. It's easy to make. We have a toasty maker and we'll do cheese on cheese toasties. Sometimes we put pickles on or ham or whatever. Yes, so cheese toasties is one of the top 3 we would have in the caravan. Another one we like to have in the caravan is salad. People say salad is a summer food. I disagree. I could eat salad every day of the year. And so salad is another meal we like to have when we're in the caravan. And our third meal that we'd like to have when we're in the caravan is curry, which I like to make myself. And we could either have beef curry, or chicken curry, or if we're entertaining our friends Bob and Jenny, then we'd be having corn curry. So, them are the 3 meals we like to have or cook in our caravan. I know you don't cook salad, but you cook the eggs. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video and found it interesting. If you did enjoy the video, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done already, if you could subscribe, that would be great. And if you do subscribe, remember to press the notification icon so you know when we post another video. Also, please remember to click on the end card so you can watch the other videos in this collaboration. And hopefully by the end of all the different YouTubers that are in it this month, you'll have some nice delicious ideas of what you want to make in your caravan. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.